Welcome to Homework Lib.
So a thermostat costs $120. A family hopes to cut its annual bill for heating oil by 9% and recover the cost of the thermostat in 2 years. What was the family's annual fuel bill? Okay, so if we're going to recover in 2 years, then that means that we're going to recover $60 in 1 year. So $60 is the savings for 1 year. So we're going to let X equal the amount of the bill, and 9% is the savings amount of the bill, which is, again, 0.09. So 0.09, 9% of the bill is going to equal $60. And that's going to give us the bill for 1 year. Divide both sides by 0.09. 60 divided by 0.09 is going to give me 666.67. So that is the annual fuel bill. And if you check that, let's take that amount times 2. Remember, we're going to be rounding because this is 6 repeating, so it's going to be very, very slightly off. That's going to give us 1333.34. And then if we multiply that by 0.09, we're going to get 120.0006, which is as close as we're going to get to 120 with our rounding error. So the annual fuel bill, $666.67.